Shall from? Hi, ID number Papa Dams. Good afternoon to you. Hi, dear Charles. Good afternoon, Charles. Shall we? Hi, I'm right. Good afternoon. I really hope guys we can make it to 3 stars. Sana naman may magbagsak sa akin dun. Sabu, welcome back, Sabu. How are you, Sabu? Good afternoon. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for coming. Sa mga new viewers natin, you guys, you are all welcome. Chewing John, good afternoon. Darilas, good afternoon. Hi, Mar, good afternoon. I really hope we can make it to 2 star. Hi, Key and John Gayuma. Good afternoon. And we only need one person, guys. We love Andre. Good afternoon. We love Andre. Nice to see you. So happy to see you. ID number. Good afternoon to you. ID number 21 is Zale. Hi, Murus. SVIP, shall we? Yes. Daddy ko FH. Hello, shall we? Sa mga new viewers natin, guys, you are all welcome. But I really hope, guys, someone will give me 3 star today. Hi, ID number. Yani, hello. Hello din sa'yo. Good eve. Hi, OMG. Shall we? Yes. Guys, help nyo ako. Mag 50k na tayo. Road to 50k na tayo, guys. We need more. Zyker SVIP. Shall we? Zyker, good afternoon. Hello, AX. Good afternoon to you, AX. Alvin Gabriel, shall we? How are you, Alvin Gabriel? Jay, good afternoon to you, Jay. Tap and make it to 1k likes. ID number, hello, shall we? Kilua, good afternoon to you, Kilua, welcome back. Hi, ako si Mon. Good afternoon, ako si Mon. Let's go for 3 star, guys. Road to 50k tayo. Thank you for sharing this live, Kilua. That's Jason. Good afternoon, Jason. Nice to see you back. So happy to see you back, Jason. Hasanuddin, good afternoon to you, Hasanuddin. I really hope we can make it to 3 star, guys. Hi, how are you, Jason? Jeffrey Lim Shawis. Good afternoon. Thank you for coming, Jason. I'm so nice. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Jason. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect that. Thank you so much. You're truly an angel. You're my angel today, Jason. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, Jason. Love from Miss Yanis. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Guys, let's go for a 3 star. Thank you so much, Jason. You are truly an angel. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you, Jason. I hope we can make it to 3 star. Thank you, love from Miss Yanis. Thank you so much. To Izilo. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. My heart is so happy right now. Thank you so much, Jason. I didn't expect this. Baliw. Thank you so much, Jason. No, you are my angel. Hi, Sansi Shawi. Thank you so much, Jason. I really appreciate all of it. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect this. Thank you so much. Hi, Kylo, Shawi. Ayun, guys, we can make it to 3 star. Konti na lang, road to 50k na tayo, look. Road to 50k, let's go, guys. Smoker 420. Get Kylo, Shawi, Kylo. Can you follow me back? Kylo, can you follow me back? Miss Yani. Let's be friends, Kylo. JD, good afternoon to you, JD, Shawi. Guys, top and make it to 1k likes. Let's go for 3 star. Hi, Baba. Pang Shawis. JD, hello, Shawi JD. Top guys and make it to 1k likes. Oh my gosh, I hope we can make it to 3 star, guys. Hi, Imaru. Shawi to you, Imaru. Pang, hello, good afternoon to you, Pang. Joker, good afternoon, Joker. BBQ, Shawi. Conti, Mysterious Man, welcome back, Mysterious Man. Nice to meet you. so happy to see you back. I'm so happy. Thank you for the top mysterious man. SVIP8, hello. Good afternoon, SVIP. Welcome to my live SVIP8. And thank you for the top. You know, I'll be more motivated if you top that, okay?